Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. 皆さん、私のチャンネルにようこそ。与那峰シルビアです。I'm here to talk about these two organizers. This is the one that I got from Amazon. It took 2 days in order for them to ship it, and the Samorga one. Of course, the Samorga one comes from Korea, so it took probably like 5 weeks that I had to buy this for my Neverfull MM in the Azure or my Speedy 30 Tahini collection. Okay, so those are the two bags that I have. Amazon one, it's called Lexsion, okay, and it's a medium size, just for you to know. And it has different compartments. Okay, so I guess I will start with this one. It has different compartments, and you can remove this, okay, like this. You can remove this, and you can put like different stuff here, and it's 3 compartments. You can put like a bottle of water, wallet, or something else like in here. So I have these 3 compartments, and so if I remove this, I have this just one big space, but then it has these 2 compartments right here and a zipper where you can like put your stuff. And of course in the back you have a place here where you can put like your mini iPad. Okay, this is the Lexsion Organizer, and like rough comparing to the other one that I'm gonna show you, but it took 2 days. Sorry, not 3. I keep saying 3. And it has 3 compartments right here outside. And then I have this Samorga one that it came from Korea. Okay, and it took 5 weeks in order to receive it. This actually feels much nicer than the other one. The con is that it took 5 weeks, but it's actually and these also you can remove this from the inside of the organizer, but it has just 2 compartments right here, but the compartments are much bigger. And then you have one hole. It has 1 big compartment, and then 1, 2, this little one for your pen, and this there's 2 here. Outside there is 1 for your like mini iPad or your book, and 2 in the other side, like comparing to the other one, the Lexsion one. And it feels much softer than the one in Amazon. This is Samorga, and it's a Korean company. Comes all the way from there. Now I don't know if you want to spend so much money on an organizer, because I did spend like 3 times more on this. This was like $60, I think, and the other organizer was like $20, which is not bad. But these both fits into the Speedy 30 and the Neverfull MM size. With the Neverfull MM size too, these fits, but I mean there's another size bigger than this that also fits. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna put the dimensions down there, okay, so you guys can review it, you can see it, and you can don't forget to watch the reviews first.